is up, guys? Christopher. Yeah, holy crap, it's making me restart. No! It's making me restart. Charisma. There we go, play. No, it really made me restart. And the freaking motorcycle. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sick right now. Stars, too. Oh, what map is this? Okay. Home. What is going on, my dudes? Holy crap. No, I don't even know what's going on right now. I don't know how I'm doing so well. I've never even played this game mode. Yeah, I'm probably gonna leave and do some racing. Holy crap. Just get all of them. I don't know why people... Fuck boy. Yeah, I'm leaving. This is boring. This is so boring. This is boring. Yep. Stupid ads, and I gotta move the mouse and thing. So I tried out this AZ screen recorder. It just sucked so bad. Any paint? Nope, there isn't. Okay. Battle mode. King of the... Oh wait, there's nobody online. Race. No. I guess I'll go play some infection for you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go check out Captain Legion, guys, by the way. Or no? Do I just... Okay, does it put me in there? I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. Nerd. No, this is why I hate restarting. I had a freaking... I got you, homie. I got you. How in the world did I not gosh him? Oh my god, where's my bike? Yeah, this is so disgusting. This is actually legitimately disgusting of how painful this is. Got you! Yay! Ooh, backflip. Never mind. Do we have... Okay, I'm guessing we have... 3 survive... I had to get a new phone. So like when I got the new phone, like all my stuff was lost, and I had a bike and everything. Yeah, I guess I'll restart for you guys. But let's go get these nerds. Ubuma was tagged. I bet you I'm gonna get in a game today and it's gonna say Trump. At least for one. I'm only 12 and I hate politics. It's not right. It's not what a kid should be listening to because on my school we have this thing called CNN Student News. Pretty sure a lot of students have it, but a lot of kids have it anyway. CNN Student News, and now it's CNN 10, but they're talking about Donald Trump all through the election. I wanted Hillary to win, just cause. And I'm not gonna get into that. No, that was my fault. He's gonna jump. He's gonna get away from it. Go, Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. I know it's my destiny. Ow. I don't watch Pokemon at all. Boopity boop. Boppity boopity. Next mom, Black Fort start. What's Block Fort? Oh my god, dude, I haven't played this in so long. There's like so many new maps. Probably. Oh, what? Oh, this is Block Fort. They changed the name. They definitely did. Yes, I do. I'm a motorcycle man. I am Kristoff. No. 24K Magic. Cat WWE Boss. Good name. And I'm John Cena. I'd love to be John Cena for a day. I think everyone would, especially with like Tuesday nights. All the real WWE fans will get why I said Tuesday. And when I was John Cena, I would buy stuff for Chris Jackson. That's my friend. At school, we have a lot of Chris's. So on my football team, I have one Chris who plays guard, and then I also have another Chris who plays quarterback, and then me, Chris Charisma, and then a kid at my school named Chris Jackson. So yeah, fire engine. Holy crap, my dude. A desert racer. What have I missed all these years? Oh my god. Shopping mall. I'm pretty sure I know this one. No, I don't at all. Because, oh my god, he totally changed the names. The creator definitely changed the names, or the editor at least. Drive this way, don't let them catch up to you. My aunt, no. J-Host. Oh wait, J-Host on me. Okay, his name is J-Host. No, don't go that way. Oh no. What's up, Potty Mount? Hacker. That dude a hacker though. Look how he's only a level 2 and he has a freaking bike. You playing with me, dude? Little ugly dude. Oh, yes, my secret hiding spot. Oh wait, I can't get there without a bike. Dang it! Oh god, they're under me. No. Oh, I saw the green. I just bolted and it wasn't even a guy. Oh crap, he's up here. That was risky. Gonna juke him out and be a really cool dude. Which way is he going? Right for me, I'm guessing. Ooh, bonus drop. Bonus drop. No, it's probably one more game after this and I'll get off. I gotta go read my book for school. Go, Dick. Yeah, Dick. Really, Dick. Yeah, Dick. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, no, make it. Yes. No, no, no. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, God. That's not good. Am I one of the only people left alive? I'm guessing so, because they're after me now. No. Not like this, dude. No, dude. No, no, no. What am I doing in here? No, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Just run for 50 seconds. Run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. No, no. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh, crap. I lost them. Okay, this guy's not infected. I'll just go hide in the corner. No, cat WWE. Not like this, dude. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh. If I would have gotten up there, I would have been a legend. Oh god, he's right behind me. Yeah, I win. I did it. Mom, 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 I did it. I did it, and I suck at this game. I did it. Yeah. Achievement unlocked. Zombie Tamer. When your first infected game. That's not my first infected game as a survivor, though. I can promise you. Oh, can we get my favorite map? Yes, Coliseum is my favorite map. I was just about to ask because Coliseum. Yes. Favorite map in the world. No! Dude, that would have been so bad if I got tagged there. They're winning all around. He's probably after me, though. Maybe I should do some racing after this. I'm gonna pop around wheels today, boy. Sorry about you. Oh my god, if you guys can hear that, I'm watching SpongeBob, and it's that one episode where that guy who's like checking out their food dies. The inspector. It's where he like dies, and well, he doesn't die, but they thought he died from the Krabby Patty that SpongeBob gave him. But he choked on a fly, I think. Oh, was it a fly? No. Hurt. Oh my. That makes me so mad. I'm gonna do one race after this and then I'm done for good. Because I really gotta work on this. And then I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Well, I'm in my friend's build battle. So, yeah. Me, Cats and Luigi, go check him out. And that's me. I am Chris. In the build battle. Dear Deputy. Just gonna ride this. Nick, I'm drifting, I'm a drift king. Yeah. Just stop. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna put some look in it and take a sip. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this game. I'm gonna move that over there. Quit. Yes. Let's go win some races. Yeah, I don't really care about that. Well, I do, but like I don't want to know what happened to the kid. So I'm gonna do one full race. What map is this? Bedroom or something? Okay. I see you. Ow, ow, ow. Come on, Ben. What you got, boy? Ring drop. Drop top. Boom. Boom. Dang it. So. Wait, is that rising? Is the lava rising? What map is this? Probably like, oh, it's like one of the lava games I used to play as a kid. Oh crap, I think it is rising. Oh no. Yeah, I win. I guess I can anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna do one full race and then I'm done. Ow! I hit my leg on my bowl. I should pick it up. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up right now. While I wait for this game to start. There we go. I just stepped on a bowl. Oh. Yeah, I'm so done. I can't even. Yeah, I'm gonna rage. See you guys later. Bye. This was Chris. Peace out.